Hello students, I am going to talk about a very important character today. This is a squealer of Animal Farm by George Orwell, a great modern novelist and critic of England. A squealer is one of the important characters of the novel. He is a white pig. He represents Vyacheslav Molotov of Russian Revolution and Soviet Union newspaper Pravda in the novel. Animal Farm. He has many traits and features of a modern leader which are discussed below. A squealer is a manipulator. He manipulates each and everything in favor of Napoleon, the real ruler of Animal Farm. A squealer manipulates all the 7 commandments which are unanimously decided in the meeting of the animals into one slogan. And this is that some animals are more equal than others. A squealer has many traits as a modern typical leader. Just as a modern leader does all the things and everything to please his master, in the same way a squealer does all the things and everything to please not only Napoleon but also all the animals of the farm. He makes all the animals disbelieve what they see with their own eyes, and Napoleon make them believe all the lies and what he tells them. He does not allow them to believe any other thing beyond what he says. So he always does for Napoleon. He does all the work that please Napoleon. Thus, Napoleon is a great manipulator. He manipulates many things. Earlier, it was decided that no animal shall drink alcohol, but a squealer tells the animals that no animals shall drink alcohol in excess. This rectification and correction and amendment suits all the pigs, because all the pigs are alcoholic. They drink alcohol in abundance. The second important trait in the personality of Esquila is that he is second in command. Esquila is second to Napoleon in command of the animals. As a matter of fact, Esquila convinces all the animals very persuasively that that Napoleon is the well-wisher of all the animals. He wants welfare and good of the ruler Napoleon, and he fails all the designs of other rebellious animals. Thus, Esquila functions as a modern leader who oftenly works for the president or for the prime minister. The next feature of Esquila is that he is a brain basher. He brain bashes all the animals. Whenever there is any rebellion in the animal form, he brain bashes the animals. He tells them that they should never think ill of Napoleon. Whenever Snowball comes over the animal farm, he helps Snowball drive out of the farm, creating new conades, rumors and propaganda. He tells animals that Snowball wants to take over animal form by force. He tells them that Napoleon is the only ruler who wishes their welfare and goodness. Napoleon trusts in Esquila. Esquila is a true supporter of Napoleon. He wants him to be powerful, to be assertive, and he defeats all the plans that are made against Napoleon. In short, Esquila is one of the important characters of animal farm. He is a brain basher, he is a manipulator, he is only the second in command of the animal farm. As a matter of fact, Esquila rules over the animal farm in the name of Napoleon. Thanks a lot.